Oh, hey everybody, Coach Dan Long here with the Over 40 Protocols, about to go swimming and grab some fruit because my wife's out there right now. We're on vacation and I wanted to show you something. If you're over the age of 40, you see this link down here? Don't click it, don't touch it, don't even look at it. And you want a flat stomach or six-pack abs for you guys. I'm 46 years old and I can tell you, if you've been on the keto, paleo, vegan, South Beach, Nutrisystem, Weight Watchers, any of these diets for 14 days or more, I want you to listen up because I want to talk about a couple things. But first, let me grab this, okay? Check this out. Do you like strawberries and blueberries and blackberries? I know you do, so do I. Do you love raspberries? Raspberries are one of our favorite in this household, okay? Also, do you love oranges? How about oranges or tangerines? Those are absolutely amazing. And what about, oh, this is a fat burner, by the way. Huh, hold on. Fat burning tip, are you ready? This is Pearl Royale coconut water. This is an absolute immediate impact on your waistline by drinking this alone. No exercise needed, no exercise needed. All you have to do is drink coconut water, replace the soda with this. This is an instant impact. I thought I'd show it to you, by the way. That's an extra tip, by the way, just because you're here today. All right, what else? How about soda? I'm not gonna lie, there's people in this house that drink this soda and burn off the midsection. But here's the thing that you need to know about, okay? You see this right here? Let me show you this. This is a spritzer Moscato, right? My wife loves these. Guess what? You can have all of this too, but you have to do it strategically. So that's why I wanted to take a minute and just shoot this short video for you. If you are over 40 and 50, 60, 70, I don't care how old you are, and you know that your metabolism is not speeding up and your hormones are probably tanking because that's what happens after the age of 40, we'll have a solution for you, okay? And you can put these things back into your diet if you do it strategically, but you cannot do it free for all. It has to be done strategically and it has to be done in sequence. See, there's a 3-part component that we just created. It's brand spanking new and I'm super excited to release it to you today. Okay, it's called the Over 40 Hormone Reset Solution. See, most likely it's not your exercise program because you don't even have to exercise on this. Most likely it's not your diet. Most likely it's your hormones. And you can reset your hormones all starting on day 1 and then every day after, right? Especially if you've been on one of those diets for 14 days or more, or even if you're thinking about going on one of those diets, because most likely the reason why you're going on a diet is because you cannot get this midsection to release and burn off. That all starts today because I have a solution for you. And if you like fruit, if you like sweet potatoes, if you like pizza, burgers, chips, whatever it is, you can't have that on keto. You can barely have it on any diet, right? But you can have it if you reset your hormones, and you all can start doing it by just doing 3 things, okay? 1, strategic meal timing. You basically put these meals together and you time them specifically on the clock. It has to be exact. Number 2, you're going to meal pair. So pairing certain foods together, joining together creates synergy. You have to know what those foods are to pair them together, and yes, they can be carbs. But here's the number 1 biggest thing that everyone loves the most, which is putting high carb cheat meals back in your diet. Pizza, cookies, ice cream, sodas, wine, Moscato, I don't care what it is, you can have it, but you have to do it strategically, okay? Now, I just literally had pizza, okay? Yeah, pizza. I'm not lying to you either, okay? This is not no fraud scenario. This is 100% true that you can have carbs and you can have them on strategic timing meals with pairing together. And also you can have it more than just once a month or once in a while, okay? But you have to do it strategically, and I have it for you at this link down below. Don't click it, okay? When you go there, pay attention to the section that you're gonna see on here talking about the fad diets, the keto, the paleo, the vegan, all these diets. There's research back showing you exactly why it's compromising your hormones. Also, I want you to pay attention to the 3-part component that I talked about: strategic meal timing, strategic meal pairing, and putting strategically high carb cheat meals back in your diet, science-backed, all at this link below. Now, when you click this link, not only are you gonna get the 1-day hormone reset solution instantly, By clicking that link, you'll go down there and you'll click one more time and you'll get it instantly. You're gonna see my wife, 43 years old, 3 amazing kids using this system. And you're gonna see Sean Hatzel, my best friend, and he's my partner. He's got 6-pack abs. He's a ripped grandpa at 48 years old. And his wife, Karen, 59 years old, using this exact system to live a healthy lifestyle. And by the way, her story is absolutely mind-blowing, shocking people around the world down at this link below. But here's the one thing, okay? If you do this one-day hormone reset solution, I want you to do it for as many days as it takes for you to feel like you can boost your hormones, boost your metabolism, and also I want you to be able to put high carb cheat meals in starting all on day 1. So if you're excited, I'm pumped. I'm super happy to release this to you, okay? I'm coming to you from the kitchen. I want you to have all the foods that you want. I want you to get this midsection to release and burn off, and I want you to live that healthy lifestyle. I want to thank you for stopping on this feed. It's time for you to click the link now for the one-day hormone reset solution that all starts on day 1 by clicking the link now.